Hi children, today we work the 15th sum, page number 35. From the following particulars, calculate total purchase. Sundry creditors on 1st January 2018, 30,000. Bills payable on 1st January 2018, 25,000. Cash paid to creditors 1,20,000. Paid for bills payable 30,000. Purchase returns 15,000. Cash purchases 2,25,000. Creditors on 31st December 2018, 25,000. Bills payable on 31st December 2018 is 20,000. The question is calculate total purchase. Total purchase means cash purchase plus credit purchase. Cash purchase is given, so we have to find out the credit purchase. How you find out the credit purchase? By preparing the total creditors account. In this sum, they have given you the sundry creditors opening and closing balance, bills payable and opening and closing balance. So we have to prepare the bills payable account to find out the bills accepted, and the total creditors account to find out the credit purchases. Then add the credit purchase and cash purchase, you get the total purchase. So first you write the heading bills payable account, particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Then you have to write the format of the bills payable account. Then total creditors account, you write the format. In both the format, so many transactions are given, but according to the sum, you have to write the transaction what is given in the sum. So how you start the bills payable account? By balance brought down. By sundry creditors, bills accepted is not given, so for that only we are preparing the bills payable account. To cash account and to balance carried down, that is the closing balance. Then come to total creditors account. How you start the creditors account? With by balance brought down, opening balance. Then credit purchase is not given, we are going to find out. So we are preparing the total creditors account. To cash paid 1,20,000. To purchase returns, then bills payable, and to balance carried down, that is the closing balance. So in all sums, first you have to write the bills payable format, then you write the total creditors account format, then you can write the numbers what is given in the sum. I go with the sum. The information given in the sum, first information is sundry creditors on 1st January 2018 is 30,000. So sundry creditors opening balance by balance brought down 30,000. Then bills payable on 1st January 2018 25,000. So bills payable account by balance brought down is 25,000. Then cash paid to creditors. Cash paid to creditors will be taken to the creditors account debit side. So to cash paid is 1,20,000. Then paid for bills payable 30,000, that should be taken to the debit side of the bills payable account. To cash account 30,000. Then purchase returns 15,000. Purchase returns will be taken to the debit side of the total creditors account. So to purchase returns 15,000. Then cash purchase given. Cash purchase will not be taken in both the account. Creditors on 31st December 2018, that is the closing balance of creditors. Closing balance of creditors will be taken to the debit side of the creditors account. To balance carried down is 25,000. Then bills payable on 31st December 2018, 20,000. So closing balance of bills payable to balance carried down is 20,000. These are all the information given in the sum. Now you see the debit side of the bills payable account is more, that comes up to 50,000. So 50,000 minus 25,000 is 25,000, that is the bills accepted. So the purpose of preparing the bills payable account is to find out the bills accepted. So I write by sundry creditors is 25,000. Now the total becomes 50,000 on both the sides. This information of sundry creditors to be taken to the total creditors account. So on the debit side to bills payable is 25,000. Is 25,000. So creditors account, now we have to find out the balance, add all the debit side total. Debit side is more, debit side is total is 1,85,000 minus 30,000, you get 1,55,000, that is the credit purchase. So 1,55,000 is the credit purchase. I am writing here BF. BF means balancing figure, that is the answer we have found out. So the total becomes 1,85,000 on both sides. I repeat, in this sum they have asked you the total purchase. Total purchase is cash purchase plus credit purchase. Cash purchase is given in the sum, credit purchase is not given. So we are preparing the total creditors account to find out the credit purchase. Before that we want to know the bills accepted. For that we have to prepare the bills payable account. So after preparing the bills payable account, we find out the bills accepted. That is the missing information in the bills payable account. That information to be taken to the creditors account as to bills payable is 25,000. Then you add the total of the debit side, subtract 30,000 opening balance, you get a credit purchase of 1,55,000. What is the question? The question, they have to find out the total purchase. Total purchase equal to cash purchase plus credit purchase. Cash purchase is given in the sum 2,25,000. Credit purchase is not given. We have found out by preparing the total creditors account. So credit purchase is 1,55,000. So total purchase becomes 3,80,000. So total purchase is 3,80,000. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you.